So this is the trend review for Tuesday, the 16th of July, 2024. And I continue to look at AMD. I really like the price action. I like the fact that I can use the 2-minute candles, and it seems to be moving a good amount of dollars every day, better than Nvidia. So I'm um, I'm happy with AMD. And today AMD seems to have topped within the last 1 to 3 days, and especially yesterday we had a really strong reaction, but I missed the trade. It happened early in the morning. So today I tried to correct that mistake and I tried to make a bit of an earlier entry. And as you can see, it was very bearish. The pivots today, we had lower value and we had lower cams. And the daily seems like we hit a top. So I was gonna be patient and wait for extremes. And the only place I had was an R3 traverse or S3 traverse. So at the open, I was hoping for a run to the top side, and then a rejection of R3 or R6 in the monthly, or value, yesterday's value as well. But it didn't happen. We dropped a lot to S3, and I guess I could have made an entry here, but it was a bit difficult, and I will have had a 2-hour run only. And I guess this entry was a bit early. I saw that we were trading under yesterday's value, yesterday's low, and also we had failed. We had a very bearish level 2. We had a lot of stacks to the downside and not a single one to the top side. So it gave me a lot of confidence to make an entry short. Now the issue is that this entry was a bit early, so we tested the pre-market low, and it looked like it was gonna be an S3 reversal. So if I had pulled the trigger here, it could have been better for a long. But we were so bearish that I avoided making an entry long here, and it was under yesterday's low as well. And the daily was looking very bearish. The 15-minute as well. The 5-minute was very bearish. So we had respected a normal day so far here, but the reaction at the open price, the previous day close, seemed very good to me for an entry short again. But I didn't have the audacity, the confidence in myself to pull the trigger here, so I missed that kind of entry. But I had a nice confirmation here. We dropped below pre-market low. We attempted to run to the top side, and I pulled the trigger at 179.05, which is a really nice entry still for a reaction of the gray area after we rejected the previous day close. And it turned out to be a really good entry. I was a bit aggressive with my partial because again we could have formed a double bottom here and then run to the top side. So I partial at 2 to 1 for half of my position, and we had I had my next target at 177, and we had a bit of a big pullback here to test yesterday's low, failed, and dropped like a hammer to 177, and that's when I decided to use end the day at goal. I had recovered my loss here, so I had the opportunity to add or to take a bit more partials, but I had something to do later, so I decided to just call it a day at that moment. It's not good, not the best trading, but I'm very happy with the result. Um, and so I need to check if I already did this. Yes, okay. So today was an excellent day. I had to adapt and follow my instincts to make this trade. Pre-market prep. It was against the original plan because I didn't expect rejection of the S3. I didn't expect to be that bearish. This tends to be the exception and not the rule. Good adaptation to changes and executed well after a first loss. So we did hit gold today. 100% execution, 2 trades, 1 loser, 1 winner, and 2.1. So very good trading this week. Uh, and these were rejections of S3 actually. So these are my own personal adaptation. Did I take? Yes, I will say yes. Just very lucky that when we went on to test the pre-market law, lost win, but it doesn't matter. -1 and 3.1 on this trade. We're gonna add these to our data set. Lowest win and -1 and 3.1. And that's it for my trade review. I'm happy that I executed better than yesterday and last week, where I struggled to, where I really struggled to pull the trigger when I saw the opportunities, and I ended up taking later trades. And as you can see, the opportunities are so far happening within the first 30 minutes. And so you see the only opportunity for an entry is continuation of the trend. And today was, I think, normal variation day or a trend day. I think it was, I think the reversal it's justifies a double variation, a normal variation day. But anyways, that's it for me today.